Ritch Robin here. We got a brand new Rich's Edition with a golf cart kit. Just pulled out the shop. This is getting shipped to Alabama today. Going to be a very happy customer here in the next few days receiving this big, beautiful Gator Pit, man. Look at this thing. It is gorgeous. I mean, that is perfection in a custom, quality, design, built barbecue pit, man. This is it. This is Gator Pit all the way. Rich's Edition on my website at gatorpit.net. 24 by 48 main chamber there, 1/4-inch thick steel, entirely 1/4-inch thick steel to include the end caps. The firebox is 1/4-inch thick pipe with a 1/4-inch thick box top. You'll probably only see this on Gator Pit. This is one of my designs I did years ago, and what it does is it insulates that firebox. That's two 2/4 double walls right there. You've got your Texas slide vents. Very cool. Back side, we've got our gas assist, our cover plate, 1/2-inch pipelines, burner inside. We've got SS golf cart wheels. Beautiful. Customer picked these wheels out to match. I can't remember if it's a side-by-side or a golf cart or an ATV, but one of those three he has at his property where this is going, and wanted all that to match up, or as close as we could do it. So there you go. He's going to be happy. You've got your side access door, got D-rings. We do have ash rake and fire pokers at the store back here. Birdhouse stack, Gator Pit signature stack. Everybody knows that stack. They know it's a Gator Pit when they see that. Gator badging, gauges, artwork, stainless steel 304 brushed stainless steel front shelf, probe ports there. There is steering here. We use 2K, that's 2,000-pound trailer axles and hubs for the wheels and also for the steering. Makes it extremely easy to steer this. There's no washers, there's no bolt down there, there's no metal on metal, guys. That's hubs, bearings, and seals on here, which makes it extremely easy. I'm one-handing this, guys. Extremely easy to maneuver this big monster around, which, by the way, weighs about 1,400 pounds. It is not light. Could even be more than that with these golf cart wheels. Lower storage, 2-inch brass ball valve drain. Again, your D-rings, your Gator Pit hangers. Those are cool right there. Got 3 hooks on them. Gator Pit cut into it. Stainless steel cool touch handles. Door counterweight. Inside you've got your uppers and lowers, angle framed and slide in and out. And down below you've got Gator Pit's unique tuning plate design. And I say unique tuning plate design because not all tuning plates in cookers or builders cookers are the same. Gator Pit is unique in how we designed it to maximize heat distribution. No other manufacturer out there does our tuning plate system. At least not that I'm aware of. If they are, they got it from us. We've got Texas Edition. This is new. Customer requested this. We did it on our CNC plasma table and used stainless steel rivets and attached it. Very cool. That is a solid firebox, man. Big, big, big. But that is your Gator Pit Rich's Edition. Heading to Alabama today. It's going to be a very happy customer. It's got a quick connect regular hose in the back as well. So no tools are needed to attach this to your propane tank. And there is a propane tank that sits back here, by the way. It does sit right there. In fact, it's probably in the firebox for shipping. It would be my guess. Yep, there it is. So everything's in there. To my customer in Alabama, you're about to see your cooker before it even arrives. Hope I didn't spoil it for you, brother. You enjoy it. I hope you have a great time with this, you and your family and friends. I know y'all will. I love mine. That's why I called it the Rich's Edition. It is a great 24 by 48 cooker for the house and even some catering. Guys, you can get 8 to 10 briskets in this thing. It's not that small, but it is small enough for your house to enjoy. There's my contact info, Ritch Robin, Gator Pit, Texas. Give me a call. Let me know what I can do for you, what my guys can do for you. See ya.